Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your skill acquisition with Pluralsight beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your skill acquisition with Pluralsight, start by visiting the Pluralsight website. Create an account if you haven't already. Choose a subscription plan that fits your needs. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the platform's layout. Navigate to the skills section to see available courses. Use the search bar to find specific skills or topics. Filter results based on skill level, duration, and format. Select a course that interests you. Review the course description and prerequisites before starting. Watch the introduction video to get an overview of the course content. Take notes while watching the videos to enhance retention. Engage with interactive content, such as exercises and quizzes. Utilize the course slides and resources provided. Set specific goals for each learning session to stay focused. Practice what you learn through hands-on projects. Join the Pluralsight community forums to discuss topics with other learners. Consider taking assessments to measure your progress. Keep track of completed courses in your profile. Regularly revisit learned skills to reinforce knowledge. Leverage paths to progress through structured learning journeys. Explore additional resources, such as blogs and articles, for broader insights. Use the mobile app to learn on the go. Stay committed to a consistent learning schedule. Evaluate your skills periodically and adjust your learning plan as needed. Engage with instructors through Q&A features to clarify doubts. Continue exploring new topics to expand your expertise. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance your skill acquisition with Pluralsight. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.